This program's changed our business from the standpoint that it's allowed us to enter into some technology. Our industry is not heavily technology driven.
Just on a normal given year, you could go to a project just to simply make one single adjustment 20 to 30 times.
And so by having this product with Weathermatic, the smart controllers, and having the on-site weather station and so forth, it's just made a huge difference in how we can manage irrigation and save water. It's changed our business from the standpoint that we're able to manage the irrigation more effectively. The capital really, to me, makes the difference. It allows us the opportunity to take this product to our customers, and it's economically favorable for them to make the shift over. Before, it was such a high capital payout for the other controllers that they would just hold off of wanting to make the decision. But now, you know, they have the ability to make the transition. They get a return on investment very quickly, within the first month or two, and then we're off and running. So it's a wonderful program. I think it's a deal maker. I mean, I really think it's why we've been able to install over 500 controllers to date. So
number one advantage is the ability to manage the site without having to physically be there. And if a call were to come in, we can make adjustments right away. That really blows the minds of our clients that, yep, we'll have that done in 5 minutes. And you can also send that off in an email, and allows us another layer of that customer service aspect, giving back added value. And so when we're able to simply go to our iPad, make the change, turn up for new color, turn down for possible rain event in the future, those are things that our crews used to have to physically do. And I think that's one of the bigger selling points to our clients today, is that we have to use technology to control the system. We can't physically continue to do things your way and just turn in the dial.
It's a labor savings from that standpoint too. We continue to look in our industry for these type of technologies to save on labor, because it's getting difficult. It's getting more difficult. The inspections, being able to take do the photography, have that align with the management report that we send off to our customers, and so it's just a fabulous tool.